crispy living. Hope you all are doing good. Let's start the vlog. Dabbaguli, a great off-road gateway from Bangalore. Before starting the vlog, please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon to get the future notification. We started from home around 8 am. We followed Hosur Road till Chandrapura. Here we took right towards Anekal and then Tali. You need to cross the Javalgiri range, Hosur Forest Department. The ticket is around 50 rupees. The forest gate opens by 6 am and closes by 6 pm in the evening. So plan accordingly. This route is a miniature of Bandipura and Madumalai forest route towards Uti. This reminds me the same. A lot of us wish to run away from the chaos and traffic of urban Bangalore. I certainly do. And head deep into nature, where the air is cleaner, the sounds are lower, and the pace is slower. If you do too, you will definitely find this video interesting. Eating places and retails are current until Kanakapura and Hosur Road. When you flip into this village road, you will not get something greater than a glass of water or a cup of tea and few packaged native biscuits. So better carry some meals and water with you. Imagine this, an hour from Bangalore city leads you into an unpaved path of Kaveri Wildlife Sanctuary via ragi, mulberry, peanuts, castor and other lush farms. These villages are beautifully charming. After Tali, which is also called as Little England, we started to Hunasanahalli. After 7 kilometers from Hunasanahalli, we had to take a left on a mud road. After Hunasanahalli, you will hardly find any mobile network. So better save the map to your phone. In this time of social media, I'm pretty sure most of you are aware of the main weekend trials that leads you out of Bangalore. This one is totally offbeat. A trip to Dabbaguli is a lot of fun, especially if you are into countryside roads, nature and a little bit of off-roading. As this place falls below the Kaveri Wildlife Sanctuary, the forest gate opens at 8 am and closes at 5 pm. The forest department does not permit vehicles entering this fragile zone of wildlife sanctuary, but located here a temple called Hollakare Dabbaguleshwara that is reserved by the people of surrounding villages, and hence people are allowed to visit till this point. The entry for the car is 100 rupees. The distance from Bangalore to Dabbaguli is 120 kilometers, and the final 15 kilometers can be unpaved roads. This was totally a ride in the jungle, climbing up and down the hill. Driving in monsoon will be very difficult here. Finally, after crossing one of the hills, we saw a river Kaveri flowing with full of water on bottom of it. This is a government protected eastern part of Nilgiri Ghats. The same river Kaveri is flowing from Bhimeshwari towards well-known Hoggenekal waterfalls. It is said that elephants visit this area in the evening for drinking water. As the place is unexplored, there are no resorts or places to stay here. 1 hour of off-roading takes you to the bank of Kaveri. And once you are at your destination, giving you a company are wild monkeys, rich bird life, and maybe even some wild elephants. Kaveri Riverside offers the perfect environment to relax after a rough downhill unpaved path. It is not advisable to get into the Kaveri here, but one can simply soak the simple offering of Mother Nature. The water here is so clear. While coming to this place, we thought it is difficult for a small car to reach here, but we surprised seeing so many small cars here. Soaking an hour in water, we were really hungry. I made some biryani and some chicken. Don't forget to carry all your trashes again back to home. Let this place stay pure as it is. And how can we miss to go to the temple? The Hollakare Dabbaguleshwara Swami Temple. The temple is right next to the bank of the Kaveri. That is the place we had our lunch. After 3 hours of staying here, it's time to get back to the city. Best time to visit will be July to September, as the water of the river will be more. But there should not be rain on the day you plan for the journey, because it will be tough to ride on the mud roads. While heading back, we could see a wild fox. Capture more of it as it is running away out of fear. Things to be noted to plan this trip. Carry a puncture equipment with you, as there are no puncture shop or retails in the neighborhood. Carry some meals and water with you always. Keep alert for wild elephants. And keep away from Kaveri, as she understood to swallow folks occasionally. Carry all your trashes again back to Bangalore in order that we let this place stay pure for the years to return. The route map and details about this place are given in description box. Please do check. Hope you all like the vlog. Keep supporting me. See you in the next vlog. Bye.